Hi, I'm Ashlyn Bryant, and today I am going to bring you another raw food video. Okay, so this raw food video is actually going to be one in a series of how to get your protein in easily. I get questions about how do you get your protein in as a vegan. We've been so indoctrinated to believe that the only way you can get sufficient protein is with meat. But for those of us who have done our research, we know that it is otherwise. So, for women, they say that for sedentary women, they say that you need an average of 46 grams of protein. For a sedentary man, about 56 grams of protein. So if you're more athletic, then that amount of grams is going to go up. Okay, so I'm going to show you one of the ways I get my protein in easily. Okay, so I have in this measuring cup 2 sprouts. One is mung bean sprouts, which is about I'm going to say 3.5 grams of protein per cup. And then I also have lentil sprouts, which is about 49 grams of protein per cup. Guys, that's a lot. I did say 49 grams of protein per cup. Okay, so I'm going to add this into my bowl. So you'll need about 2 cups. Or you can just go ahead and do the lentils 1 cup. So I'm going to call this recipe sprout salad. So I'm using mung beans and sprouted lentils. The next thing I'm going to add, actually I should just go ahead and go through what you're going to need. So you'll need the sprouts, you'll need carrots, shredded carrots, about a cup. You'll need 1 jalapeno or pepper, kind of diced. You will need about 1.5 cup of cucumbers, about 1 if you're comfortable. And I'm going to say about a little over 1/4 cup of mango. I'm going to say about 1/4 cup, maybe less, of red onion. Also, I diced up 1 tomato, about a handful of cilantro. I'm going to use lemon as well. And for my season, I'm going to use chat marsala. Now, I might not be saying that right, because when I went to purchase this and I said, can you point me to the chat marsala? They pronounced it a whole different way than I did. So, but okay, I'm going to jump into the recipe. So I dump my sprouts into a bowl. Then I want to take the carrots, dump it in. Jalapeno, dump it in. Guys, in no particular order, whichever one you like. My cucumbers, dump them in. My red onions, dump it in. My mango, dump it in. Cilantro, dump it in. Tomatoes, dump it in. And then I'm going to squeeze the lemon. So about 1 lemon. Just want to squeeze it in there really good. You want to add, you can omit this if you want, but I like to put pepper in mine. You want to add about 1/4 cup of pepper. And I'm going to say about 2 1/4 teaspoons of the chat marsala. Just want to sprinkle it all over. Because sometimes I'm interested in like having a little flavor, having a little more flavor. And I kind of like the taste of Indian food. I don't eat it I don't really eat it since I've gone raw. But I'm interested in learning more about their seasonings. And that's kind of how I came up with this dish. Just watching videos of their recipes, and I was inspired to make this. So guys, this is my sprout salad. Look how beautiful that looks. So you want to mix it in well and enjoy. That is so good. So good I knocked my earring out. If you would change anything, actually if you would add anything, let me know. If you would change anything, let me know. Until next time, have a great taste.